I have posted a message in a topic in PHP Facebook group where other developers answered a survey and told about their criteria about doing upgrades of their environment. Those comments are really interesting. You should take a look to also learn from others.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control?
Finally, the last part of this podcast episode is about methods and tools that are used by other PHP community developers to decide when to upgrade, what to upgrade, how to upgrade. I have posted a message in a topic in PHP Facebook group where other developers answered a survey and told about their criteria about doing upgrades of their environment. Those comments are really interesting. You should take a look to also learn from others. I'm certain that I don't know everything, and I can always learn from other developers like yourself and other developers that posted in PHP Facebook group. You can go there. So you probably have your own methods, your own tools. It would be interesting if you could share what are those tools, what are those methods, so we can also learn from each other with any methods and tools that you use and they work well for you. Okay? So for now, that is all. That is the end of this podcast. I'd like to appreciate your attention. This is Manuel Potter. No, sorry. Lame joke. Okay? This is the voice of the Manuel along with this elephant wizard, and we are here to share knowledge with you, and we hope you have liked it, and make sure you tell other people, and also sign up with YouTube channel, and subscribe to PHP Classes newsletter, on which you will be able to receive more information about the next episodes, and maybe next time you can also participate in the Lately in PHP podcast. That's all for now. Bye. All right, if you like this video, make sure that you click on the like button here below. And if you also like to get notifications about when there are new videos like this, probably next week, you just click on the bottom right of the video. There is a button here, it's red. You can touch it or click on the mouse button to make appear the subscribe button. And then you can also click on subscribe button here. It is a bit different just because it appears a black belt that you can click to tell YouTube that you would like to get notifications when there are new videos, so you do not miss any new video that we'll be publishing hopefully every week. So you can also click on the share button here to be able to tell your friends, your family and colleagues that there are interesting videos here on the channel. Certainly they will love you for that if you share interesting videos, because they also want to learn more and be better on what they do. So you can go here and click on the WhatsApp button or in the email button if you want to send a private message, or you can also click on the Facebook or Twitter buttons if you want to share publicly on the social networks. And you can also click on embed to be able to get HTML code to embed this video on your blog post. So you are free to share this video in many ways. Pick one that you like better. So for now, that is all. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon on the next video. Bye!
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul?